Yes.
Yes,
Page
ma'am.
number 154, eighth question was left. Let's complete that in maths book. Take out your notebooks also in your maths fair notebook. Okay.
Ma'am.
So, Aradhya, read the eighth question. Aradhya, read the eighth question. Page number 154, question number 8. Aradhya, be quick, beta. Aradhya, Anmol, please switch off your mic. Aradhya, can you hear me? I think she is disconnected.
What is page number?
Beta, it is written here, Daksh Pratap Singh. I hope you can see the whole class. I hope you can see what is written here. I hope everyone can see what is written here.
No, ma'am.
You cannot
No,
see?
no, ma'am. I not can't see properly.
लीजिए अब properly दिख रहा है? Okay. Okay, let me ask Arsalan. Arsalan, read the eighth question. Arsalan, read the eighth question, beta. Arsalan, read the eighth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, read the eighth question.
Ma'am.
Be quick, jaldi se. What is this class? Whenever I'm asking anyone to read, everybody is disappearing. What is this? I'll remove you from the meeting if you're not going to answer me.
Writing
Ma'am,
is a 16 meter 400 centimeters is divided
Rati,
into
Riddhi, who asked you to speak? Who asked you to speak? Did you switch on your mic and you start speaking?
ma'am, the eighth question is
Yes.
WIRE.
Wire.
Measuring a wire measuring 16 meter 400 centimeter is divided into 8 pieces. What is the length of each piece?
Okay. Very good. Okay, now
Now, excuse me, ma'am, can I explain?
let me speak first.
Excuse,
Are you the teacher or
okay,
I am the teacher? Who is
excuse
the teacher over here? Please keep your
ma'am,
mics
you
off, otherwise I will keep you all on mute. Rishabh, keep your mic off. And Daksh Pratap Singh, you also keep your mic off, otherwise I'll just remove you from the meeting right away from here. I am the teacher. I think I should speak. Kanishka, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, can you explain me what is the given in question? What is given here in the question?
Okay, ma'am. A wire measuring
Yes.
16 meters 400 centimeter
नहीं
is
नहीं बेटा, I'm
divided
not
into
asking this. Kanishka, I'm not asking this. Can you explain me what is given in the question?
ma'am.
क्या दिया है ये explain करना है.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
Okay, my voice is not coming. Just wait a minute. Okay, now Virat, Virat, Virat.
Excuse me, ma'am, your
No,
voice is not coming clearly.
beta Virat. Can you explain me what is given in the question? What is they are asking about?
A wire measuring
Don't,
16
beta नहीं
meters.
नहीं read नहीं करना है, read नहीं करना है विराट. What you have to tell me, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि इसमें क्या दे रखा है क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है, व्हाट दे हैव गिवन एंड व्हाट दे आर आस्क्ड. आप क्या समझ रहे हो इस क्वेश्चन से? विराट, ओपन योर माइक.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन बेटा.
If 16 meter 400 centimeter is divided into 8 pieces.
बेटा मैंने क्या बोला था, हम इसे एज अ रीड, वी रीड इट एज अ स्टोरी. रीडिंग तो कर दिया अरसलान ने, रीडिंग तो कर दिया. अब आपको मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना है. आप मुझे इसे एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे आप इस क्वेश्चन को? एज अ स्टोरी बताना है तो क्या बताओगे? टेल मी. How will
The
you explain?
wire is divided into 8 pieces.
Very
And
good.
the wire is, we have to tell 16 meter 400 centimeter.
No, this is not the story.
Ma'am, can I?
No. Akshat, I told you keep your mic off during the classes. Akshat, this is the last warning I have given to you. Next time मैं तुम्हें बोलूंगी नहीं, I will throw you out of the meeting directly. You always do that, Akshat. This is not the way, Akshat. Have some manners. When one is speaking, let him speak. Okay. First of all, keep your cameras on.
Sorry, ma'am, my link is cut.
And Akshat, better behave next time. And there are some more students. And Rishabh, you too, do not open the mic until and unless I ask you to open it. Virat, beta. हाँ बेटा बोलो विराट.
Then we have to tell length of each piece in the question.
Do you have a wire, Virat? Do you have a wire right now?
No, ma'am.
You don't have a wire. Do you have any rope or anything like charger का केबल होगा? Charger का केबल?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
bring
ma'am.
that rope? चुप हो जाओ भाई.
Riddhi Agarwal, please switch off your mic. I'm so fed up of these students.
Ma'am, here it is.
Ma'am, can I bring that?
Ma'am, here it is.
Ma'am, I am having.
मुझे किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Okay, I'm going to mute you all. If you are going to do this, let Virat speak, beta. Virat, open your mic. I'm only giving you permission to speak, not all. Okay, Virat, speak. Open your mic, Virat. I'm giving you permission. Because some of them now will not improve themselves.
Ma'am, this is a row. And
Where are
we
you?
have this
Yes. Very good. Wait a minute. Very good. This is a rope. Sit properly, beta. First of all, sit properly. Yes, good. This is what? This is a rope. And suppose this rope is how much long? 16 meter long. This rope is how much meter long?
16 meter long.
16 meter long. And you have to divide it into 8 equal pieces. So कैसे करोगे? Tell me.
Ma'am, dividing.
और आप क्या बता रहे थे मुझे story? Now you understood the story? Understood the story, beta? What is given in the word problem? Number stories. These are not word problems. Problem नहीं बोलेंगे अब से हम इसको. Word problem नहीं बोलेंगे. We will say it as a number story. These are number stories. Okay? It is just like a story. Now you understood, Virat? What is the question?
Yes.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Now I don't want anyone speaking in between. Whatever you have to say, you have to type in the chat box or either raise your hand. That's it. One is telling and you are speaking in between. अभी एक से बात कर रही हो, बीच में बोल रहे हो. Just because of 3-4 students, I have to switch off the whole class off. I'll remove them. अच्छा मैं एक काम करती हूँ. मैं unmute कर रही हूँ. All of you can speak. But when it is needed, you can just tell me the problem if you have. But by raising your hands in your cameras, on your cameras, okay? I don't want anybody speaking in between like that. And every time you are having problem, then please do type the messages. Okay? और जो मुझे बीच में बोलता हुआ दिखेगा, when I'm explaining or somebody else is speaking, बीच में किसी ने बोल दिया उसको तो मैं I'll directly remove them without any warning. That's it. Without any warning अब मैं mute करूंगी and they know their names very well. Who are they? कौन बीच में बोलते हैं? They know their names well. Okay, let me start it. Question number 8 is a wire measuring. So as Virat told, he told us that we have to divide. All of you can unmute yourself. If you have any problem in between, you can ask. Okay? You can ask, but there are some students who make nuisance unnecessarily, then they will see. I'll remove them without any warning. Okay, write down a wire. Put ... in between. PIECE, piece. Okay, a wire. Put ... in between in the same way. Okay, now you are going to tell me the first statement. Ansh ko to nahi. He speaks a lot in between. Those who speak a lot, I'll never give them chance. That's it. Samia? Samia? Samia, can you hear me? And this type of students. या तो कुछ ऐसे हैं हर बात पे माइक ऑन कर लेते हैं, and there are some students they never switch on their mics even after calling again and again. Samia, tell me what will be the first statement. Minha will tell me. Minha, what will be the first statement? Minha, what will be the first statement? Tell me the first statement, Stuti.
And the first, a wire.
A wire से start होगा. Tell me. I told you whenever we measuring something is given to us, what we start from, where we start.
A wire.
बेटा जब हम स्तुति जब हमें किसी की मेजरमेंट दी होती है तो क्या होता है उसमें, क्या लिखते हैं? What we write in the statements? I told you one word. What is that word? What is that word, Stuti? Length?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, जल्दी से बताओ. What will be the question? What will be the statement?
A wire length is 16 meters.
अभी बताया बेटा मैंने. लेंथ बोलते हैं. We say length of the wire. Length of the wire. Okay. Tuti understood. It should be length of the wire. Yashmit, better to put your hand down in the chat box. So what is the length? 16 meter and 400 centimeter. Okay. Number of pieces. Now you will see number of pieces. How many number of pieces will be there? Is equals to 8. Now you have to calculate length of each piece. So what will you do here? Manya, tell me what will you do here?
Length of each piece.
What will you do? Beta, which operation will you use?
Divide.
Very
16
good. Very good.
divided
By
8.
very good.
Divide.
Very good. आराध्या बेटा आपका माइक ऑन नहीं होता है क्या? Tell me. Aradhya, are you able to hear me? Because whenever I ask you some question, you leave the meeting. Aradhya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा mic on क्यों नहीं होता है? I was asking you some question and you left the meeting.
No, ma'am, I do not like them.
मैंने बोला तो बेटा read question number 8. I told you ना to read question number 8.
Ma'am, I can't hear because, ma'am, there was noise in my house.
Okay. Beta, be attentive in class.
Okay, ma'am.
Start doing it. Start solving it. Is it clear now, Jaskaran?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
सेवेंथ आंसर नहीं कर पाई मैं, मुझे ध्यान में नहीं था.
Beta, whatever it is, leave the page or anything else in between. Just open the recording of the previous class and you can check it from there. What was it? Okay. Previous to the previous, the last week recording on करना, उसमें check कर लेना what is there. Okay. All of you, please keep your cameras on. Arkan, बेटा मैंने आपसे कल भी मेरी बात हुई थी. I told you, please keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, I have done. Yatharth Singh.
Okay, Yatharth. Okay, let us discuss the answer. Shall we discuss the answer now? How much is the answer coming? How much is the answer coming?
Yes, ma'am.
2 meter and 50 centimeter.
Very good. 2 meter and 50 centimeters. See, 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16, and when you subtract it, you will get 0 here. Okay, then you copy this 4 here. 0, 0, 4. 0, 0, 4 is not able to come in this table of 8. So we will put 1 0 in the quotient here. Then you will copy another 0, 40. When does 40 comes in the table of 8? 8 5
8 5s are 40.
8 5s are 40. Subtract it, you will get 0 here. Then copy this 0. 8 की table में 0 नहीं आता तो 50. 0, then is the remainder. So you will write so length of each piece, and do not ask me the final statement. Try to frame it on your own. आप अपनी बनाने की कोशिश करा करो. Don't ask me like Akhya was asking me, ma'am, what will be the so statement? Every one of you knows the so statement, so try to do it yourself. So length of
Ma'am, I have done the so statement.
each piece is 2 meters and 50 centimeter. Okay, 2 meter and 50 centimeter. Yuvraj Gupta, switch off your mic. Yashmit, you also switch off your mic.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on. No need to tell me. Keep your cameras on. This is the basic thing I want, that everyone's cameras must be on. Shelly Gupta, can't you hear me? Arhan, can't you hear me? Zoya, Yuvraj, Kanav, Parmeet, Kanishka, Arkan, Minha, Arhan. कैमरा नहीं ऑन होगा बेटा आपका. प्रत्यक्ष बेटा अभी आप कैमरा ऑन नहीं करना, एंड डू नॉट टेल मी व्हाट इज. फिर बाद में एट लास्ट यू विल फाइनली से दैट मैम दिस आई हैव डन करेक्टली. परमीत कैमरा ऑन करो. वेरी गुड परमीत. कीप योर कैमरास ऑन.
Ma'am, I've done.
Very good. Keep your cameras on, everyone.
Ma'am, I have done Arav Solanki.
Arav Solanki, first of all, change your name. And I told you to keep your camera on. So keep your camera on, Arav Solanki. Okay? Keep your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope everyone has done this. So let me start a new topic of this chapter and we'll do it quickly. बेटा जैसे हमने मीटर सेंटीमीटर किया है वैसे ही एग्जैक्टली आपका मीटर सेंटीमीटर किलोमीटर किलोमीटर और मीटर किया था हमने. सिमिलरली आपका होता है ग्राम्स एंड किलोग्राम्स. ओके, टेल मी एवरीवन, लेट अस डिस्कस इट. ओके, अब तो आप माइक ऑन कर सकते हो बिकॉज इट इज अ डिस्कशन टाइम. ओके ओके, नाउ सी, do you have a balance or a weight at home? Do you have a balance or weight at home?
Yes,
Balance
ma'am, I have it.
weight है घर पे?
I have it.
Okay, show me.
Yes,
How many of you can show me?
ma'am, I am showing.
Okay,
Don't
go and bring it. Go and bring it.
Can you
Those who are having a balance or a that balance है किसी के पास या फिर weights है, weights.
Ma'am,
Dumbbells भी है, you can use the dumbbells, लेकिन heavy dumbbell नहीं ले आना. 10 kg का dumbbell नहीं लाना. Okay, Panshul is showing me something. Panshul is showing us something. Very good. See here, everyone, as you can see Panshul. Okay, Panshul is showing me the weight. Panshul, what is this? Can you explain me here? What is this?
Ma'am, this is the weight. If we stand on it, it measures how heavy an object is or how heavy someone is.
Okay, Panshul, you will send me the picture of it on WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay.
And you will explain this also on WhatsApp to me. Okay. जब तक आप जाओ Panshul, you can do this. Okay. Yes, Yatharth, what you have this? What is this? What is this? Yatharth. Well, Yashmit, not Yatharth, Yashmit.
Ma'am, this is a weight machine.
This is a weight machine. What do you do of weight machine?
We take weight.
We take weight. What is weight?
Weight is you. Weight is.
Ma'am, I have also weight machine.
I told you, please don't speak in between.
Or light and object is.
Okay, very good. Okay, let me see who else is having what. Weight है किसी के पास? Weight या dumbbells? Okay, Riddhi is showing me something.
Ma'am,
Very
I
good,
have.
Riddhi. Wait a minute, everyone. Yes, Riddhi. What is
Ma'am,
this?
I have dumbbell.
Yes, Riddhi. You have dumbbell. Okay, you can bring the dumbbell.
Ma'am,
Yes, Riddhi.
this beam balance.
See, she is showing the bean balance. She is showing me the bean balance. I think you have done this in science. No, you need to show
Ma'am,
the
I
science
have dumbbell
activity here.
Yuvraj Gupta.
Okay, who is having dumbbells?
Ma'am,
Okay, Yuvraj Gupta.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Yuvraj Gupta.
Okay, Yuvraj Gupta. As you can see, Yuvraj Gupta. बेटा बीच में नहीं बोलो युवराज गुप्ता. Show me. बेटा इतना भारी ना हो, खुद गिर जाओ. गिर नहीं जाना उसे लेकर. Okay. What you now stop. Ashray, please.
I also have dumbbells.
Yeah,
so
Ashray,
heavy.
Panchul, wait a minute. Okay. See now, what is this, Ashray? Oh, sorry, Ashray Kerry. Sorry, Yuvraj Gupta. Sorry, Yuvraj Gupta. What is this? What is written over there? Can you see?
Ma'am, 5 kg.
5 kg is written there. What is 5 kg? 5k लिखा है. Okay, k है ये, but it's 5 kg. Okay, Manya is also having. Manya, show me.
I have also weight machine.
Okay, Manya. What is this, Manya? What is written here? What is written in the corner, Manya? Something is written, Manya. It is written 1 kg here. Very good. It is written 1 kg. आप मुझे अपने pictures send करो WhatsApp पर, जिसके पास भी है. How if you are having a weighing machine, just send me the picture of it on WhatsApp. Whatever you are having with you, of the weights or anything, bean balance or anything. What is this, Akshaj? What is this, Akshaj? कहाँ गया Akshaj? Yes, Akshaj. Show us. What is this? Yes, this is a weighing machine. Yes, very good. Akshaj, एक काम करो, इसके ऊपर अपना कैप अपने आपको ऐसे हैंग कर लो. ठीक है? Hang yourself on this. नहीं, hang your head on this and try to weigh yourself.
I have
Okay,
also.
Akshaj, as you can see, what is this? Akshaj, what can you see here in the beam balance? If you're hanging something in it, what will you see here?
Ma'am, weight.
Weight is there. What is the difference? What difference does it make? हाँ, क्या दिखा रहा है वो कॉर्नर में?
Ma'am, kg.
Please don't speak in between, everyone. Let him speak. हाँ, very good. See, okay, very good. Beta, send it to me on the WhatsApp group. Okay? Send it. Show me where it is written 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, जो भी लिखा हुआ है, कितना ग्राम्स लिखा हुआ है. और आप अगर weighing machine ले रहे हो तो उसमें अपना weight का फोटो क्लिक करके भेजो. Stand on it and send me the weight. 1 kg, 2 kg कैसे लिखा है. Very good, Akhya. पांचू लग गया, I can see. पांचू बेटा उठा नहीं लेना उसको. 25 kg का है वो.
Where is Ashray?
हाँ.
Ma'am, I send it on WhatsApp group Yuvraj Gupta.
Everyone just send it. I will see it
Ma'am,
after.
I have also dumbbell.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
ये किसके
it's
पास है?
written
Who is this
25K.
Pallavi Agarwal? Who is this Pallavi Agarwal?
Oh, sorry.
Who is this Pallavi Agarwal, बेटा?
Ma'am, I Ashray.
आश्रय, बेटा जरा अपना just start है. बेटा ये भी लिखकर भेजना इसका वेट कितना है.
Ma'am, it's not 25 kg, it's 5 kg. Ma'am, 2.5 kg.
Okay. अच्छा वो 2.5 है. Okay, I thought 2. 25 kg है वो.
Ma'am, I have also dumbbell.
Where is Ashray? Ashray जरा अपने weights दिखाओ बेटा. Ashray, show me your weights.
Yes, ma'am. See.
What is this? How much kg is it of? What is written here?
Ma'am, it's 1 kilo kg.
1 kg. 1 kg is written. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But actually camera is blurred. Very good. Then what is there?
And ma'am, this is of 200 gram.
Very good. Okay, this is the smaller one and it is of 200 gram. Very good.
Ma'am, and this is of 500 gram.
Okay. Do you have a balance also, Ashray?
Yes, ma'am, I have the balance.
Okay. Can you make a video and show us that 2 500s makes how much? एक side 1 kg रखना है और 2 500s पे रखना है. Can you
Ma'am,
show
please
us?
wait for a
Can
bit.
you
I'm
click the
bringing my bean balance.
Okay, beta. We are waiting. Beta, it's 12:10. We will do in next period. आप तब तक prepare करके रखो. We'll do it in next period. Okay. Bye everyone. अभी एक और period है. Last period पे देखते हैं. Okay, last period.